Wait, you're taking me and Tommy to see Lily?
Yeah, Lily made a picnic for us to visit at Daffodil Fields. Won't be.
Look. Someone made a note. How would this brick wall appear?
It's illusional. Let me read it. Dear little Bretts. My children and I created each hotels of illusion. Now Miss Lily is now a guest so we can steal her magic. Find her you chickens. Mwahahahahahaha. Hilde. Isabel, Annabelle, and Tommy, we need to find Lily with the help of the magic compass. Follow my lead. There it is. Let's look for clues.
Whoa, that is illusion.
Let's split up. Annabelle and Tommy, you go the river while me and Isabel visit the other side.
Hey, I'm getting shotgun.
No. Mine. Tommy. I'll rescue you.
Great. There's no sign of Lily.
But there's a magic wand to help us. Let's teleport into the hole.
Help, 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 help.
Watch out. Run. You gotta get out of here.